I'm Patrick Limoges. I'm the assistant art director on the game. And basically, our game, we really wanted to go back to the pillars, the main pillars of our game. So what made Assassin what it is. And so that's why we went back and focused on the three main pillars, which is fighting, the navigation, and the stealth. So each one of them, we made sure that we improved and add new features to them. And also it was about giving the next-gen experience for sure. On the art side, we had all the new lighting, the shaders, to make the city even more dense in details than what we used to have. So even on the cloud life, the particles, everything, that sums up what Assassin is to me right now. Paris is like one of the main characters of our game. So it's the city is so rich for landmarks and stuff. We had difficulties on which one were we had so much. It was the first time in an Assassin's Creed that we had so much landmark to choose from. So that was kind of funny, and the fact that now we can enter seamlessly through the interiors, the landmarks, the houses, the underground. So it was a good way to explore this mythic city. A new protagonist here, we got Arnaud. He's a new character we have to the license. He has his own story. He's living his stories, his own struggling story. During the French Revolution, he's not like an actor per se in the revolution, but it's like the revolution is a backstory to add a dramatic flavor to what he's living his own life. We got new weapons, new animation that come with them. It's a whole new system that the animation make you feel the weight of the weapon and stuff like that, so it's very nice. There's also the co-op multiplayer that we added, like you can play with 3 of your friends. So there's campaign that you play with Arnaud and a single player, his own story. But when you play co-op, it's like you're playing a mission of the Brotherhood, let's say, with other of your friends. And so those are, you have to imagine that they're not like catch the flag mission. It's really we wanted to have the story-driven Assassin's feeling, even if you're in co-op. So I think we did a pretty good job on that also. Actually, we had to redo the whole engine. It's a new one. We had to start from scratch. Actually, the first team started was on just after Brotherhood. So they started working on the engine. We looked at what makes a game next-gen, to redo the lighting, the shaders, particle system, a lot of things, all the animation, the cinematics. Myself, on the art side, I want them to feel that they are in Paris, that they can see all the details, all the stories we included in our small interiors, the big one like the Notre Dame, to make you feel like you're actually visiting the city with all its details and richness.